Hey everybody, it's your boy Mr. Beast here. Well, not exactly. Viral Zap actually hit me up to help them write this video, and let me tell you, this is huge. We're talking about making serious cash, and all you need is Snapchat and some AI magic. We're diving deep into 5 mind-blowing methods to turn your snaps into stacks. We're talking viral videos, affiliate marketing, selling cool stuff, and more. This is your chance to become the ultimate Snapchat entrepreneur. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to Snapchat riches? Let's do this. Okay, first up, we're hitting you with the big one, Snapchat Spotlight. Think of it like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, but on Snapchat you create awesome, engaging videos, and if they go viral, boom! Snapchat pays you directly. AI can be your secret weapon here. Use AI tools to help you edit your videos, add crazy effects, and even generate ideas for viral content. Remember, the more engaging your content, the more views you get, and the more money you make. We're talking real money here, people. Imagine getting that notification from Snapchat saying your video just earned you thousands. It's all possible with Spotlight. Next up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is how you can make money on Snapchat without spending a single rupee. Basically, you find cool products you love, you share them with your followers, and when someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. AI can help you find the perfect products to promote to your Snapchat audience. There are AI tools that can analyze what's trending and what your followers are interested in, so you can recommend stuff they'll actually buy. Imagine chilling, posting on Snapchat, and then bam! You check your phone and see you made a bunch of money while you were sleeping. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Now, if you've got a massive following on Snapchat, brands are going to be knocking at your door. That's right, you can get paid to promote products and services through sponsored posts and shoutouts. AI can help you find those brand deals. There are platforms that connect influencers with brands, and AI can make sure you're getting matched with companies that are perfect for your audience. This is how you level up your Snapchat game. Turning your followers into a money-making machine, it's like having your own business, all thanks to Snapchat. Have you ever seen those awesome Snapchat lenses and filters that everyone loves using? Well, guess what? You can create your own and sell them. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius to do it. AI tools make it crazy easy to design awesome filters and lenses, even if you have zero experience. Think about it, people love sharing cool stuff on Snapchat, so when they use your awesome filter, it's like free advertising. And the more people use it, the more money you make. Cha-ching! Okay, get this. You combine the viral power of Snapchat Spotlight with the money-making magic of selling merchandise. Imagine this. You create a hilarious video that goes viral, and in the video, you're wearing a t-shirt with your own unique design. And here's the best part, you don't even need to deal with printing or shipping. With print-on-demand services, you can sell t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, you name it, all designed with AI. People see your awesome video, they love your design, they buy your merch, and you're making money while making people laugh. It's a win-win. So there you have it, 5 insane ways to make money on Snapchat using the power of AI. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but trust me, it's totally worth it. You've got the tools, you've got the knowledge, and most importantly, you've got that Mr. Beast-inspired hustle. So get out there, start creating, and turn your Snapchat into a money-making machine. And hey, while you're at it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for Viral Zap and your boy Mr. Beast. We'll catch you in the next video.